starting over. My work is using gouache. Very lightweight. But here, oh my God. I had a lot of questions from other artists on my process and my work. They'd like, all right. I really like to use gouache because it's simple, it's fast. And it's kind of a chalky consistency, so it comes out really easily and your brushes maintain blah blah. I'm a gouache artist in the Bay Area that works. Okay. Questions from other artists. Oh. Yeah.